Vimec Lifts Repair, Servicing and Maintenance. Vimec Lifts was founded between the provinces of Mantova and Reggio Emilia in Italy in 1980. With a product range that services and provides effective solutions at home as well as in public spaces, Vimec have had a big impact on mobility. Over the years, Vimec have moved up to be amongst the leaders in the industry, and have a very strong focus on people. As their customers, they deal with them with passion, commitment and integrity. They provide amongst the best customer experience with their products. Vimec Accessibility is the brand line that takes care of the design, implementation and installation of tailor-made solutions to support people with mobility needs, both at home and in public premises. Vimec HomeLift is the brand line referred to people who aim to ensure home comfort with a dedicated lift, driven by Italian design, technology and eco-sustainability. They produce nicely designed solutions to make life easier for those requiring vertical mobility solutions, through a comprehensive range of products. Hugely experienced and professional, they have realized more than 130,000 installations worldwide. Vimec offers a range of straight and curved chair stairlifts to suit all types of staircases, and they are ideal for both outdoor and indoor installation. Chair stairlifts are ideal mobility solutions at home for the elderly, the disabled, and people with other mobility issues. Vimec stairlifts are designed well, and guarantee ease of use and world-class levels of comfort and safety, while at the same time ensuring consistent aesthetics with the staircase of the home itself. Vimec offers a range of home lifts and platform lifts suitable for both homes as well as public spaces, shops, offices, restaurants, etc., and perfect for both outdoor and indoor installation. Vimec home lifts are the perfect solution for improving the comfort of the home based on the needs of each individual and the entire family. Vimec platform lifts are designed with maximum ease of use in mind, with all the versatility and safety necessary for various types of installations, while at the same time matching and maintaining consistent aesthetics with staircases, architectural designs to be overcome. Our service response time. If something is wrong with your Vimec platform and accessibility lift, you can always contact us for service support. Our cross-Europe network and in-house team of engineers and technicians have many years of experience. Our knowledge and experience mean a lot to our customers. We understand the importance of keeping your lifts in service, especially those providing accessibility. We pride ourselves on our response times. We answer your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We will assist you in the event of an unexpected lift failure with initial phone consultation, directly with a trained technician, and always aim to follow through with a same-day visit to fix the problem and have your lift back in service in the quickest possible time. Service agreement. When you buy a lift from any manufacturer, we always advise to get a service agreement with an experienced and professional service company. We offer several simple-to-understand client-focused agreements with different service levels to meet all types of needs. Common to all service contracts is that they guarantee reliability and extend the lifetime of your lift. Servicing your elevator regularly is integral to long equipment lifetime and trouble-free operation. Are you interested in a service agreement? Contact us and we'll tell you more. Spare parts. As we specialize in platform lift servicing across many global lift brands including Vimec. Our well-established network provides immediate access to all Vimec platform and accessibility lift spare parts, keeping response times fast, and resulting lift downtimes low.